Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Remy's Apprentice, where we'll be learning the 3 of my favorite coffee-inspired cocktails from Raglan Road. We will start with the iced Irish. First, we will begin with our pour-over method to ensure that we extract all the coffee notes and also making this as strong as possible due to the ice dilution of flavor. Water temp should range between 195 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit, that way we don't end up with that bitter, acidic taste. Next, we will add our coffee to an ice-down shaker, mixing busting ice over our glass, pouring coffee over the top, allowing it to sit for 3 minutes before adding Bushmills butterscotch schnapps to an ice-down shaker, mixing, pouring over our coffee, then releasing the presence of our Bailey's salted caramel to the top, creating a swirl. Keep in mind that these steps are important to ensure that the Bailey's does not coagulate, creating a cottage cheese texture to your cocktail. For the Irish Espresso Martini, it calls for a Guinness simple syrup, so we want to start with a pint of Guinness, adding it to a pot on medium-high heat, bringing it to a simmer, then adding 2 cups granulated sugar, allowing your mix to come to somewhat of a boil for 25 to 30 minutes without burning. When your liquid has reduced by half, add to a jar or glass container for storage and allow it to rest, coming down to room temperature before use. Grind your beans, brew your espresso, add 1 ounce Kahlua, 2 ounces Bushmills, 2 teaspoons Guinness syrup, and 1.5 ounces of espresso to an ice-down shaker, mixing and pouring in a sugar-rimmed martini glass, and there's your Espresso Martini. For the Bailey's shake, it's fairly self-explanatory. Add 1 scoop of ice cream, 1.5 ounces Kahlua, and 2 ounces Bailey's to a blender, blend until smooth, and add to a glass. You can garnish with chocolate syrup, but I like it just the way that it is. Honestly, these drinks taste a lot better in the comfort of your own home. Please like, subscribe, and until next time, cheers.